Hi, and welcome back to the workbench. So, what you're looking at is the remains of my Tevo Tarantula. It is being turned into so many spare parts, but not all lost. It's actually a good experience building and understanding how not to make a 3D printer. So, there were various problems with this thing. I mean, the first and foremost being the acrylic plates it was made out of. Not a great idea. So, that's actually what happened to many of them that were in stress areas. They just shatter. Yeah, they basically just shatter. There's not much else for it. There's no reason they shatter aside from that normal stress is being applied. In this case, the print bed pulls against it when it's tightened down, and then this is where the bolt holding it to the rest of the assembly goes, and it's just not capable of taking that kind of strain easily, so it's not a very good design. It should be made out of a more solid part like aluminum. And the other problem the other thing I didn't like about the Tevo much is that the assembly tends to go like this. It's really wobbly after a little bit, and that's just after a bit of mostly sitting and being moved around. I only used it a few times, so not great. So it's being turned back into a pile of parts, and I'll probably use it either just as general spare parts or maybe finally put together the Crucicle I've been working on. And that's it. So I'm not too happy with the Tevo Tarantula. It didn't end up being a great printer or useful printer at all. The Ender 3 was light years better as far as just being used goes. So Ender 3 Pro is probably my favorite printer for the money at the moment. The Tevo Tarantula, at least this one, is horrible. Can't recommend it. Figured I'd show it while it's taking it apart, and that's about it. Till next time.